Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, guys, these days IELTS speaking test is conducted in two ways. One is in front of the examiner, practically physically in front of the examiner, and second is what they call remote IELTS speaking. And remote IELTS speaking is in front of a screen and camera, and some students get confused. Sometimes there are glitches and all that. So this video is all about IELTS speaking practice for remote speaking test. Okay, all you need to do, you need to have pen and paper, right? Because for speaking part 2, when I show you the cue card, you have to write down your answers. Okay, and secondly, try to sit somewhere all alone. You should have a hands-free or a headphone, because in actual exam they will give you hands-free or headphone. Answer every question and I'll give you 10 to 15 minutes to answer the question. Direct answers, to the point answers and relevant answers will increase your bench score. As far as speaking part 1 and part 3 are concerned, try to follow this 3-step formula: DEC, the short form of December, D for direct answer, E for elaborate your answer, and C for conclude your answer. Okay, now let's make a start. I am your IELTS speaking examiner and you are going to answer my questions. Let's make a start. What's your name, please? All right, that's a good name. So let's start the test. Tell me about your hometown. What is your most favorite part of your hometown? Would you like to move to a different city in the future? If yes, then why? If no, then why not? What did you study in history lesson when you were at school? Did you enjoy studying history at school? How often do you watch TV programs about history now? What period in history would you like to learn more about? Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. I'm going to give you a topic and I will give you 1 minute time to read the topic and you can write down some notes. After 1 minute, you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Your topic is there. Describe the neighborhood you lived in when you were a child. Your 1 minute starts now. You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, that is the end of IELTS speaking part 2. We now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. What sort of things can neighbors do to help each other? How well do people generally know their neighbors in your country? How important do you think it is to have good neighbors? Which facilities are most important to people living in cities? How does shopping in small local shops differ from shopping in large city centers? Do you think that children should always go to the school nearest to where they live? Thank you so much. That is the end of your IELTS speaking test. Have a fantastic day. Alright guys, you must comment this video if you enjoyed, if you felt like giving actual IELTS exam, speaking test. Please comment this video and share your feedback with me, and your feedback will motivate me to make more videos. I also teach IELTS online and in campus in Lahore, and we offer IELTS test booking service. Twice a month, we conduct IELTS webinar for those who are appearing in IELTS exam. A week before, they can join the webinar, and we offer test booking service as well. PTE classes by expert PTE trainers, part of our team. So if you want any of these services, you can contact us. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.